nice and loud.
Hi guys, welcome to Family Adventures. I'm Isaac and we're going to show you how to get fishing licenses in Fuerteventura.
Good morning everyone, this is the shortcut version of where and how to get your fishing licence for fishing in the Canary Islands and mainland Spain. Now all the details of this is also included in our main video, Fishing in Fuerteventura. So please do click like and subscribe and check out that video as well as joining our playlist. So let's go and get these licences.
Good morning folks, it's another gorgeous day here in Fuerteventura. We're just off to the Fishing and Agricultural Office now. We're going to get our fishing licences. If you want to fish here in the Canary Islands, it's an absolute must. It's the law that you have to have a fishing licence. So we're going to go check it out and we'll update you on progress and how you get your fishing licences. See you soon.
So we've even downloaded some useful phrases on the Google Translate and they look like this. Agriculture, Canary Pesca, it's upstairs. So you come into this building, go up the stairs. And there's the desk you get your licences. Okay folks, the lady in there was really helpful. She helped us fill in the forms. But for a child, you need a birth certificate. No one travels with a birth certificate, so we can't do Isaac. And you need your actual passport, not just your passport number.
Okay, last ditch attempt. Going back to Puerto del Rosario to see if we can get our licences for a second time. Wish us luck.
So that's the first part done. That's all the paperwork printed, signed. We had to get Isaac's birth certificate sent over from England or emailed to me. Now we've got to go to the bank and make a payment.
Let's go to the bank. There you go. Caixa Siete. Siete is 7 in Spanish. Now the main capital building is right up the top there on the left hand side. So you just come down across 2 roundabouts. Caixa Siete.
Okay, that's the second bit done. So we paid our €16.59 each for the licence. We've got the official stamp on the document. It's all signed. Now we're ready to go to the official office to get our licences issued. So we're 66% there, 2/3 of the way done.
Right, now we're looking for the Cabildo de Fuerteventura and the Oficina de Atentiona al Ciudadano. That's where we're off to. Don't worry about all this, we'll put all the details, the addresses in the video description. Okay, so don't worry too much about where you're going and you'll have the whole address to put into your sat nav. We're about as close to the Officina that we can get to. We're just working out the ticket machines now. It's all in Spanish, so we'll have to just run in a couple of euros and hope for the best.
Okay, turns out that building there is not the place to go to get your licences. So we're going to try this building, Cabildo Insular. We're still working on it, folks. Oh my God, we've got our licences.
Do you want to take a picture of this?
Yeah, right. We're going to go to a photocopy shop next door to us because these things are like gold dust. We want to get them laminated. I'll show you a picture of the final picture of the building we've got to go to for the final stage. your licenses laminated, come to Copy Max. It's just down the road. Just come just down the road, bank on the corner there. Copy Max over here. €4 to get them laminated because they're worth their weight in gold.